Welcome back to my channel. It's Sharlene, and today I just wanted to do a very quick and easy makeup tutorial for those on the go, for those mommies. This is my everyday go-to makeup routine when I go to work or when I just have to hurry up and go somewhere, or just when I'm just not really feeling like doing all this makeup on my face. This is what I do. And yes, sorry about my paleness. I look crazy right now. But this is my natural me, no makeup, nothing. So, okay. But anyways, if you guys are interested in how to get a quick and easy everyday makeup routine, just keep on watching. So the first thing that I do, obviously moisturize your face. That's very important, especially for us girls with dry skin like me. And then I'm going to go in with this Hemp Rose Facial Glow Serum. I feel like this is like a good primer. It smells so good, guys. Oh my god. Oh yes. And then you're just gonna let that dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with a tinted moisturizer. So that is like my main thing. I don't ever use foundation when I'm doing like this quick and easy everyday makeup routine. I always go with a tinted moisturizer just because it's so fast. You can apply with your hands and boom, it's like done. And it looks very natural, of course. Today I'm going to go in with this tinted moisturizer here from Tarte, and it is in color light. So I literally just squirt a little bit on my finger and apply it on my face. I do both cheeks, forehead, and my chin, and then a little bit on my nose, and just literally like you're applying a moisturizer. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape and color Fair. I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer with my Laura Mercier powder. Alright, now for my contouring, I'm going to use the Cover FX palette. This color right here. Okay, and now for my blush, I'm going to go in with their blush here. And then for an extra like shimmery kind of blush, I go in with this. It's called Girl Actic. I think I'm saying that right. And I just love their blush. It's just so glowy. Now I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals Blemish Ready powder, and this is in Clearly Silk 05. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Just fill them in a little bit. And I'm going to go in with the Anastasia pomade in soft brown and my e.l.f. eyebrow brush that comes with a spoolie on this end, and this is number 203. So now I'm going to go and move on to my lashes. Now this part is optional. If you're more of a mascara, natural eyelash kind of girl, you go ahead and do that. If you want to glam it up a little bit and add some eyelashes, then you go ahead and do that too. I feel like I'm just going to go with a more natural look. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just curl my lashes. Okay, so after curling your lashes, go in with your mascara. My mascara is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And I'm going to go in with just this cute little lip gloss from Appeal. And then to top all of this off, I'm just going to spray it with the e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist. Ooh, yes! There you have it. That's like my quick and easy everyday makeup routine, and I literally do this in like less than 5 minutes. Obviously it takes a little bit more time if you want to glam it up and use lashes. This is literally what I do every single day, but yeah, and I think it looks very nice and natural and nothing over the top. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm almost at 500 subscribers and I'm so excited. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.